What if your kitchen was a science lab? Cleaning. Did you know vinegar water removes up to 70% of pesticides from produce? And never wash raw meat. It spreads bacteria. Preparing. Chop veggies in large chunks to keep more vitamins. And don't peel organic potatoes. The skin is full of nutrients. Cooking. Steam. Don't boil your veggies to save up to 40% more nutrients. Use avocado oil for high-heat cooking. Olive oil breaks down over 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cookware. Say yes to cast iron and stainless steel, and no to Teflon and raw aluminum. They can leak harmful chemicals. Storage. Store leafy greens in damp cloth and keep apples away from bananas. They speed up ripening. Subscribe for more kitchen science. Food safety matters. A 2023 study in the Journal of Food Protection found that up to 70% of pesticide residue on vegetables can be removed with proper cleaning. So, how should we clean food? Fruits and veggies. Use a vinegar water mix. 1 cup of white vinegar in 4 cups of water. Soak for 10 minutes, then rinse. Why? Vinegar kills bacteria like E. coli and reduces pesticide residue. Alternative: baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon to 4 cups of water. Works great too. Meat and chicken. Don't wash it. According to the CDC, washing raw meat can spread bacteria like salmonella to your kitchen. Instead, cook to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill harmful germs. Pro tip: use organic white vinegar and baking soda for cleaning. Choose glass containers over plastic to avoid microplastic leaching. Clean smart, eat safe. Food prep tips that boost nutrition and flavor. The way you prepare your food affects both taste and nutrition. Studies show some methods help keep more vitamins intact. Cutting veggies the right way. Cut vegetables into larger pieces. A food chemistry study found that chopping them too small increases vitamin C loss by up to 25%. Why? Less surface area means less oxidation. To peel or not to peel. Don't peel potatoes or carrots if they're organic. The skins are full of fiber and antioxidants. For example, potato skins contain quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Tool tips: use bamboo or wooden cutting boards. Plastic can trap bacteria. Choose stainless steel knives or ceramic ones. Ceramic causes less oxidation. Cooking methods. Cooking the right way is key to keeping nutrients. According to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, improper cooking can lead to up to 40% loss of B vitamins. Steaming. Best method for vegetables. Steaming broccoli only causes 10% loss of vitamin C, while boiling can cause up to 50%. Why? Less contact with water means more water-soluble vitamins are saved. Low-temperature cooking. Instead of grilling, bake meat or fish at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. High heat, like grilling, can form carcinogenic compounds like HCAs, heterocyclic amines. Why? Low heat controls protein denaturation and reduces HCA formation by up to 70%. Smart oil use. Use olive oil for low heat, like salad dressings. For cooking, go with avocado oil or coconut oil. They have higher smoke points. Why? Olive oil oxidizes above 375 degrees, forming trans fats. Types of pots and pans. What's safe? Using the wrong cookware can leach harmful chemicals into your food. Here's what science says you should use. Cast iron. No chemical coatings, retains heat well, and releases small amounts of iron. Great for those with deficiency. Stews, meats, veggies. Avoid cooking acidic foods, like tomato sauce, for long periods, can increase iron leaching. Stainless steel, non-reactive and durable. Doesn't interact with food. Soups, pasta, and steaming. Use medium heat and a bit of oil to avoid sticking. Ceramic-coated non-stick without toxic chemicals like PFOA. Safer than Teflon at high heat. Eggs, omelets, light cooking. Avoid metal utensils. They scratch easily. Avoid these. Teflon can release toxic fumes above 260 bar. Uncoated aluminum reacts with acidic foods and may be linked to neurological issues. Material tips: go for cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic-coated cookware. Use wooden or silicone utensils to prevent scratching. Food storage methods. How you store your food affects both freshness and nutritional value. A study published in Nutrients found that improper storage can increase antioxidant loss by up to 30%. Vegetables. Wrap leafy greens in a damp cloth and store them in the fridge. Moisture prevents wilting and helps reduce vitamin C loss. Fruits. Store apples and bananas separately. Apples produce ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening and spoiling of bananas. Ethylene accelerates the aging process in fruits. Meat and fish. Keep meat refrigerated at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius and freeze it if not consumed within 2 days. Use airtight containers when freezing. Oxygen exposure increases fat oxidation and spoils the flavor. Material. Tip: use glass containers or vacuum-sealed bags. Avoid plastic containers as they can leach chemicals like BPA into your food. General tips and essential materials. Here's your must-have kitchen guide. Use Himalayan or sea salt instead of refined salt. They're less processed and rich in trace minerals. Combine turmeric and black pepper. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, black pepper boosts turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Swap sugar for honey or maple syrup. They have a lower glycemic index. Always cook with filtered water. Tap water can contain chlorine and heavy metals. And that's your science-based kitchen blueprint. When cleaning, prepping, cooking, and storing your food, follow these methods. Choose the right pots and pans to optimize your health. Try it out, track your results, and share them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed kitchen hacks. See you in the next experiment.